Okay, that's done. Where's the last gen? Dusakar, don't do this to me. God damn it, Dusakar. God damn it, Dusakar. God damn it, Dusakar. What just happened?
That was beautiful.
What just happened?
I don't know.
Oh, okay, cool. Okay, cool. This is fine. This is fine and cool. It's nothing big. It's just me and Eatsy Teensy Two Time up against a milestone 4-6er in Last Man Standing. Please don't be stupid.
They have faith in you. Everybody has faith in you.
You got this. You got this.
Woo! Anyways, I'm gonna want